students, today my topic is isotopes. Discovery of isotopes have proved that element can have different atomic weight and same atomic number. For example, if we take oxygen, here it has different atomic weight but same atomic number but different atomic weight. Likewise, hydrogen also same atomic number but different atomic weight. But in composition, if we compose both of this, it has fixed composition. In water molecule, it has fixed composition, that is 2:1 H2O. Now come to next topic, Dalton atomic theory. According to him, atom composed of tiny particle which is not divided. Atom of same element are identical. For example, H is like H in all the cases and O is like O, but H is different from O. So atom of different element have different properties and have different mass and size. For example, C is different from H is different from O is different from N is different from Cl in all the properties and have different mass. Combination of atom form compound. For example, when A plus A element join together, it forms compound, that is A2. For example, H2Cl2O2. When 2A is combined to B, it forms A2B. For example, H2O Na2O. When 3 atom of A combine with B, then it forms A3B. For example, Na3P K3P. Now come to modern atomic theory. Atom is divided into electron, proton and neutron. Dalton stated that the atom is not divided, but in modern atomic theory it is stated that it is divisible into electron, proton and neutron. Atom of same element may not be all alike, just like oxygen. This oxygen is different from this oxygen and this oxygen is different from this because the atomic weight is different. Atom have same atomic mass and different atomic number is known as isobar. For example, argon, here the case is reversible as the isotopes. The atomic number is different but atomic mass is same, and this type of element is known as isobar. Some organic compound have numerical ratio but not simple. For example, tristyrene, this is the name of fat cell and the formula is C57H110O is 6. This is the formula of fat. It is known as tristyrene, which is complex in nature. Now, modern atomic theory discovered radioactive, those substance which emit ray from its nucleus. This is the nucleus, and which emit ray to balance the nucleus. If it is not emit the ray, then the nucleus is not balanced. So it have to just emit the ray outside to balance the nucleus, and these types of element are known as radioactive element. So modern atomic theory discover radioactive element which change into other atom by emission of radiation. As I told you that it emit the ray. So emission of radiation is important for them as to just balance the nucleus. So for example, uranium and thorium, they all are used in atom bomb, missiles, etc. Now next is Darwin's theory. He states that matter is composed of number of small particles called atom which cannot be created or destroyed. For example, if we take calcium carbonate, when calcium carbonate get heated, it divided into calcium oxide and CO2. Here in calcium carbonate, calcium is 1 in number, C is also 1 in number, but oxygen is in 3 in number. In product side, calcium is 1 in number, O is 1 in number, C is 1 in number, but oxygen is 2 in number. If we calculate the reactant side, we get 5, and if we calculate the product side, we also get 5. So this thing just prove that conservation of mass is not changed whether the reaction or the product is changed from the reactant, but mass remain the same. So this proves that the conservation of mass. And constant proportion is that proportion in which molecules have fixed ratio. For example, SO2 has fixed ratio, that is 1:2. Water is also has fixed ratio 2:1. Methane is also fixed ratio 1:4. So all the ratio get fixed in the constant proportion. So these elements are the example of constant proportion. So my question is, what is isotopes, what is Dalton theory, modern atomic theory, and Darwin's theory? Thank you.